in a candidate.
How we're going to beat Donald Trump, and what's the strategy, and what do you do in the swing states? What do you do when the economy is roaring?
Somewhat moderate, left-leaning moderate.
Someone who has served this country, someone who has lived a life, not like most of us have.
Countdown to Super Tuesday. In-depth coverage on KSL News Radio.
As Utahns gear up to participate in their first ever Super Tuesday, KSL News Radio's Kelly Pierce has what you need to know in order to take part.
Republicans and Democrats are holding their presidential primaries in Utah on March 3rd, Super Tuesday, but the rules could not be more different. If you want to vote for any of the 7 candidates in the Republican primary, including President Trump, you'll need to be a Republican. Utah Director of Elections Justin Lee says anyone can go to the polls and register to vote on Election Day.
And I guess the important thing there is only an unaffiliated voter could change to a Republican at this point. If someone's registered with another party, then there's no way they could vote in that particular primary.
Democrats have an open primary, meaning anyone can request a Democratic ballot if they like any of their 16 candidates. Most Utahns will vote by mail. If you haven't received your ballot yet, call up your county clerk's office and see where it is, or go in person to a polling place where you can vote with a provisional ballot. Countdown to Super Tuesday, Kelly Pierce, KSL News Radio.
Meantime, Senator Sanders extends his lead, but look who's now in second place. KSL's top national story. Sean Michael Lyle is live at the KSL National News Desk.
Well, Tim, Democrats running for president debate tomorrow night in Las Vegas ahead of Saturday's Nevada caucuses. The newest NPR poll gives Bernie Sanders 31% support. Michael Bloomberg has surged to second place with 19%. But Senator Sanders says of the self-funded Bloomberg,
he does not have a right to buy the presidency.
Bloomberg now qualifies for tomorrow night's debate. Jury begins deliberations in New York today in the rape trial of former movie mogul Harvey Weinstein. His attorneys say prosecutors did not prove their case, saying encounters with accusers were consensual. And the corruption trial of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has been set to begin March 17th. That's 2 weeks after national elections, which could give opponents the seats to replace him. Live at the KSL National News Desk, Sean Michael Lyle, KSL News Radio.
Coming up on KSL, a warning from the Salt Lake County Recorder about a new scam letter that some homeowners are getting in the mail.
Plus, we'll check your triple team traffic.
Huge delays right now northbound from Bluffdale to Midfield because of an accident before 7200 South. Southbound delays continue Riverdale to Clearfield. Eric Butler in the KSL Traffic Center.
KSL News Time, 7:35.
We're all news all morning.
Utah County led the state in growth,
mainly from people moving in.
And it's Dave and Debbie at 9, Floyd Matheson at 11, and now Lee Lansbury at 12:30 on KSL News Radio, Utah's news station.
Have you been diagnosed with cataracts? It can be scary, but I want you to know something. Hopes Vision's cataract surgeons are trusted experts with decades of experience in restoring vision loss due to the development of cataracts. And Hopes Vision has 2 new lens options in their toolbox: the light adjustable lens and the PanOptix trifocal lens. The new light adjustable lens gives surgeons the potential to provide unparalleled visual outcomes by customizing lens power. The PanOptix trifocal lens is designed to provide clear vision for near, intermediate, and far distance. Imagine reading and enjoying your favorite hobbies, working out, and even driving at night with reduced dependency on glasses. Hopes Vision offers the latest technology for improved outcomes. Call 877-30-LASIK or visit hopesvision.com to schedule your cataract screening. Hopes Vision, world-class leaders in modern cataract surgery. Call 877-30-LASIK or visit hopesvision.com.
So do you have any special plans for either this shortened holiday week or for this upcoming weekend? Can I make a suggestion? I'm Doug Wright, and Ruth's Chris Steakhouse is the perfect place for you and friends and loved ones to have a great meal. Maybe you were the lucky recipient of a Valentine's Day gift card from Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. Well, it's time to put it to good use at either location. Now, if you're going to go up and maybe catch a day of skiing in the Park City area, how about Hotel Park City? What an amazing location for Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, overlooking what during the summer is the golf course. At this time of year, it's a winter wonderland. Maybe you've got things going on in downtown Salt Lake City, ball game, shopping, you name it. There's a Ruth's Chris Steakhouse at 275 South West Temple. You're going to find the very best food, the service that is incredible. It is the finest dining experience on the planet. It's Ruth's Chris Steakhouse.
Well, as we've been telling you all morning long, kind of a rough start to the day for trading. Third straight day